The first step is signing up for Hostinger. In the description of this video, you'll find a special sign-up link that gives you an additional 10% discount on your Hostinger plan. Simply click that link or go to hostinger.com/medicsmedia10 to lock in your discount. To get started, we'll first have to choose a plan. I recommend to go with the business plan for the best performance and access to e-commerce features. But if you're on a tighter budget, the premium plan will work just fine for simpler websites. After signing up, we'll go through the onboarding process. On the second page, click Create a Website to start a completely new website from scratch. On the third page, make sure to choose the Hostinger website builder. Next, we can pick a domain name, which is basically the address of our website. But before choosing a domain, I recommend building the website first and then connecting the domain once everything is ready to be published. So for now, we're going to skip this part by clicking on Use Temporary Domain.